Hey y'all, I'd do a little mail call here. Sorry about sounding so nasally, but I just trying to get over COVID for the fourth time since it started. So I got a couple here today. One of them is really special to me. Got this. Up to Something Outdoors. Guys, go check them out. They're really cool. He takes boats and scraps them out. It's pretty fun to watch. Especially fun to watch when the big loader at the trash dump runs over top of them and crunches them. So we're going to put him right in there. Right next to Creation Dust. Like I said, go check them out. Something Outdoors. This sticker I've been waiting on for a while, and it's my first piece of mail from abroad. And it's really cool. I watch this channel a lot. I like the guy and his wife. He does a lot of good stuff. If you don't subscribe to him, you need to go check him out. The Wood Junkie. My buddy Billy over in the UK. Thank you for sending these to me. Billy has a great channel, guys. Go check him out. Seriously. Billy has more I guess you would call it insight. I'm not sure. But he makes stuff that you're not going to see a lot of U.S. guys make. And his wife, Shelly. She does a lot of staining and painting for him. And they got the cutest little dog. If I remember his name right, it's Stanley. So this one means a little bit because I like Billy a lot. We're going to put him right underneath the old path. This sticker almost matches the cabinet. Yeah. There you go, guys. Check them out. Up to Something Outdoors. Like I said, good channel. Fun to watch. And all the rest of them. Alright. Thank you.